So now we are going to convert the binary number into decimal format. So let's take an example. In the previous example we have got 55. Now let's see how to convert that binary into decimal. So we have this example 110111. So one method to convert any number to decimal is to multiply that each bit with that binary base, with that number base. Okay, let's take this example. We have the 110111, and what we are going to do is, since it's binary, we are going to take that base, which is 2, and we are multiplying with each bits with these powers. First, this is called units place, and you need to multiply with 2 power 0, and this is called tens place, I mean like seconds place. We need to multiply with 2 power 1, and 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, and if you have more bits on the left side, you can have to multiply with 2 power 6, 2 power 7, and so on. Now put the binary digits here 110111, and now multiply each these and add everything. So 1 into 2 power 0, which is 1, and 1 into 1, which is 1, and here 1 into 2, which is 2, and if we add these two we will get the 3, and here 1 into 2 power 2, 1 into 4, which is 4, and if we add to this 3 we will get 7, and which is 0. If we multiply, it's 0. So here 1 into 2 power 4, 2 power 4 means 16, and if we add to this 16 plus 7, it's 23, and finally there is the last bit 1 into 2 power 5, which is 32, and if we add everything 32 plus 23, which is 55. So guys, I hope you have understood. We just multiply with this number base 2 power 0, 2 power 1, and we will put the binary as the given, and then we multiply each of these numbers and we will add everything to get our decimal number.